Hi, today Ask F5 will show you how to decrypt SSL traffic using the SSL key log file environment variable in Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. You can decrypt SSL traffic using the SSL session keys by setting the SSL key log file environment variable to a file name on the client operating system to log the SSL key information. This method is useful if you can only log the SSL session key of one user due to security reasons or because you either have no access to the big IP system or don't want to run commands on it. You can use this method to decrypt RSA and Diffie-Hellman based key exchanges such as DHE or ECDHE. A prerequisite for performing this procedure is that you must be using either Firefox or Chrome on the client system. You can log SSL session keys on Windows by setting the SSL key log file. To do so, log into Windows, close all Firefox and Chrome browsers. Open environmental variables by selecting the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen and enter ENV. Select Edit Environmental Variables for your account. In the Environmental Variables pop-up window under the User Variables for the username, select New. For variable name, enter SSL key log file. For variable value, enter the full path name for the SSL log file. Note that you must have write access to this path. Select OK. Then select OK again to close the environmental variables window. Start your packet capture application. Start Firefox or Chrome and access your web application. The SSL session keys are logged to the file you specified earlier. You can log the SSL session keys on Mac by setting the SSL key log file. To do so, log into your Mac, ensure that all Firefox and Chrome browsers are closed. Launch an OS X terminal for command line access. Set the SSL key log file environment variable for your account by using the following syntax: export, SSL key log file, users, account name, SSL key file. Note that you must have write access to this path. Start your packet capture application. Start Firefox or Chrome and access the application. The SSL session keys are logged to the file you specified earlier. You can log the SSL session keys on a Linux machine. To do so, log into Linux, close all Firefox and Chrome browsers, open a terminal for command line access. Set the SSL keylog file environment variable for your account by using the following command syntax: export SSL key log file, home, account name, SSL key file. Start your packet capture application, and then start Firefox or Chrome from the same terminal. You must start the browser from the same command terminal because the session variable is set only on the terminal. Access the application from your browser. The SSL session keys are logged to the file you specified previously. After you capture the SSL session keys, you can load them into a tool such as Wireshark. To do so, open your tool on the client system. In Wireshark, go to Edit, Preferences, Protocols, TLS. For the pre-master secret log file name, select Browse and locate the session key file you created. Select OK and open the packet capture. The SSL sessions are now decrypted. That's it. If you have any other questions you'd like to see answered on this channel, send us an email or comment below. Thank you for watching.